Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate popsicles at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, half a cup of sugar, 2 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget your popsicle molds and sticks. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that delicious chocolate base. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the cocoa powder and sugar until well combined. Slowly pour in the milk, continuing to whisk until there are no lumps. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it just starts to simmer around the edges. Do not let it boil vigorously. Once your chocolate base is warm and smooth, remove it from the heat. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra flavor boost. It's crucial to let the mixture cool down completely before moving to the next step. This prevents ice crystals and ensures a creamy texture. Once cool, carefully pour the mixture into your popsicle molds, leaving a small space at the top. Finally, it's time to freeze your delicious creations. Insert a popsicle stick into the center of each filled mold. Place the molds in your freezer and let them chill for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. When you're ready to enjoy, simply run the molds under warm water for a few seconds to easily release your homemade chocolate popsicles. Enjoy your frosty treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.